guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always. But today we are at Palace Station. So if you're unfamiliar with Palace Station, it's right off of Sahara and I-15. Kind of a cool little spot. It has the feast buffet here. If you guys are interested in that, Derek did a buffet review of the feast. So you guys will have to check out All You Can Vegas to check out that buffet review. Derek's one of my buddies. He's a good guy, and he also creates a lot of content, as well as say hi to Matthew. He's another good buddy. North Cal Slots, he's a good buddy of mine, and so is PJ Slots as well. But anyway, we're going to take you guys on a quick walk through here of Palace Station. They got a few bites to eat, like I had mentioned, feast buffet. That is going to be up on our right-hand side here, as well as DVDs. And can't quite see what the sign is. I think it's called the Courthouse, but we'll check it out here. So they have a $7.99 buffet if you guys have your Players Club card. Oh, it's the Boat House. Sorry, guys. Restrooms up over here on the right-hand side. Bar is up on my right-hand side as well. They have a bunch of ballrooms and stuff like that that you can check out. That is going to be upstairs, ballroom, showrooms, a bunch of stuff that they got here. Got a nice little bar over to my right. Table games, I've seen 10 and 25 for blackjack, pie gow, and then also baccarat. Cashier's cage is going to be on my right-hand side, guys. They had $10 craps there. Might have to check that out a little bit later on tonight. They also have some places to eat over on my left-hand side. Little Tony's, pizza, pasta, and cocktails. Over on my right, there's another little bar. There's another little Asian spot on my left-hand side. Fresh. So you guys will have to check that out. They have $17.95 for all-you-can-eat sushi here at Palace Station as well. The poker room is up here, as well as the sports book. They have a nice little bar over here by the sports book as well, guys. But we'll kind of leave off with the casino here. We'll go upstairs and show you some of the rest of this place. Because these places are always huge. I always feel like I'm missing something. Like if you go upstairs at the D, they have all the old slots and stuff like that. So I always check everything out. Tour around for you guys. But so far it's been a good trip. Gambling hasn't been great, but hasn't been too bad here.